If you're a cat person, you know there's something truly special about these creatures. They're mysterious, graceful, and just a little bit weird. Whether they're curling up on your laptop right when you need it, chasing invisible ghosts at 3 a.m., or giving you that signature, soul-piercing, judgmental stare, there's always more to these furry enigmas than meets the eye. Today, we're diving deep into some fascinating facts about cats that will make you look at your feline friend in a whole new light. Let's start with something you've probably suspected all along. Your cat knows when you're calling them. They just choose to ignore you. That's right. Studies have shown that cats can easily recognize their owner's voice, among many others. But unlike dogs, they don't feel that primal urge to come running every single time. It's not that they don't love you, it's that they are fundamentally independent creatures. In their minds, they're not your pet. You're just the tall roommate who happens to control the food supply. Now, here's something adorable you've probably noticed. Ever see your cat give you that slow, dreamy blink? That's not them being sleepy or bored. It's actually their way of saying, "I trust you, and I feel safe with you." Animal behaviorists call it a cat kiss. It's a huge sign of affection. Try blinking slowly back at them the next time they do it. Chances are, you'll get one in return. It's one of the sweetest, quietest ways to bond with your cat. Speaking of communication, cats are absolute masters of it. They can make over 100 different sounds. Think about that for a second. Dogs, by comparison, only make about 10. From purrs and chirps to meows and growls, each and every sound carries a specific meaning. A short, quick meow is usually a friendly hello. A long, drawn-out meow, that's the classic, "Human, my food bowl is empty. Fix it." Now, and what about that weird little chattering noise they make when they're staring out the window at a bird? That's pure, unfiltered hunting instinct. It's an excited, almost frustrated response that's been hardwired into their brains for thousands of years. Next up, let's talk about those magnificent whiskers. They're not just there for show. A cat's whiskers are incredibly sensitive, high-tech sensors. They help them measure the width of spaces, detect subtle changes in air currents, and even navigate in complete darkness. Each whisker is deeply rooted in nerve endings, giving them a kind of sixth sense about their surroundings. This is also why some cats get stressed if their food bowl is too narrow. It's called whisker fatigue. It can be really uncomfortable when those sensitive hairs are constantly being pushed and stimulated. Here's a fact that will blow your mind. Cats can jump up to 6 times their own body length in a single, effortless leap. That's the human equivalent of jumping clean over a school bus. Their incredibly powerful back legs and hyperflexible spines make them world-class acrobats. This explains how they always manage to end up in the strangest, highest places in your house. The top of the bookshelf? Easy. The summit of the refrigerator? Challenge accepted. Now, let's touch on something every cat owner knows intimately. Sleep. Cats spend about 70% of their lives snoozing. That adds up to roughly 16 hours a day. But why so much? It all goes back to their wild ancestry. Cats are crepuscular predators, meaning they are most active at dawn and dusk. In the wild, they conserve precious energy by sleeping through the less active parts of the day. So, while your pampered house cat may never have to chase down a gazelle, that biological nap schedule is still deeply ingrained in their DNA. Here's another cool survival trait. Cats can actually drink seawater. Their kidneys are so ridiculously efficient that they can filter out the salt and use the remaining water for hydration. Now, we're definitely not recommending you test this out, but it's an amazing testament to how perfectly adapted these animals are for survival in diverse environments. And finally, we have the most magical fact of all. A cat's purr isn't just a cute sound, it's a healing mechanism. The frequency of a cat's purr, which is typically between 25 and 150 Hz, it has been shown to promote tissue regeneration, reduce pain and swelling, and even lower stress and blood pressure in humans. That soothing vibration you feel when your cat curls up on your chest, it's not just a sign of their contentment. It's literally therapy wrapped in fur. So the next time your cat ignores your calls, blinks slowly at you from across the room, or settles in for their 12th nap of the day, remember what's really going on. They aren't being lazy, rude, or weird. They're just being wonderfully, mysteriously feline. If you love these cat facts, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with a fellow cat enthusiast. And don't forget to subscribe for more perfectly entertaining content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.